case study video on the jet engine. So this is another section of the jet engine. This is what the case study of it. So on this side, there are 4 parts of that, 5 parts of that. The first 4 parts are the diffuser, and the next one is the compressor section, then the combustion section, and finally the turbine section. Finally comes the nozzle. Because what is this case? What do you study the case? The air inlet is sucked by the diffuser. It is the air inside from the air diffuser. It flows the velocity and raises the pressure. And this pressure has been pressurized as been set to the compressor section. And the compressor section, it is changed between 1 bar to 10 bar. Maximum goes up to 30 bar. This pressurized air will be sent to the compressor section. Compressor will be sent to the compressor section. Before that, there are fuel tubes are there. The fuel tubes is that. In this fuel tubes, fuels will be inletted into the chamber itself. Whereas the combustion chamber, the pressurized air mixture will be fuels will be mixed in. The mixture chamber will be entered into combustion section. Due to the air fuel mixture, it burns. Once it burns, heat will be extracted, and the heated pressure will be heated air will be passed to the turbine section. The turbine section, the turbine blades will be located. These turbine blades, this pressure will hit on the turbine blades and it will start rotating. On rotation of the turbine blades, then the gas will be exhausted to nozzle will be expanded. And the pressure gas will be moving here, which will be comes to Newton's law, second law, the force is equal to opposed diameter proportion to the mass into acceleration. So whatever force has been let outside, at the same time the jet engine will be moved front side. So this is the mechanism of this is the case we are studying on the jet engine system. So whatever pressurized gas is being moved outside, the jet engine will be moved front side by guiding jet engine also. And what you can see in the diffuser, while it sucks in the air, a vacuum will be created. So vacuum will be the engine will be moving to cover the vacuum, space going. Okay? Okay. Is everybody ready? Can you able to inform me what is so far you have done? You don't know? Can you summarize it? Diffuser mark, as for IC is what is saying autopiles, as IC is that thing. Four strokes will be there. How strokes is it? Power. That's a stroke of the diffuser and the fuel and air will be entered in the air will be entered, and here now only air only is entered, air only is only compression fuel will be spread, fuel will be compression. And power stroke is come. So power stroke is once the heat is the fuel cells is burned on it will be pushing the stroke to the bottom surface. That's the power stroke part. In case of same thing, the gas will be heated there. Push to the turbine section. Turbine what turbines are producing. The turbines are the pressure level, what turbines are producing. The heat flowing there. And the exhaust gas is very exhaust gas. Exhaust gas force and the force so this is a study of the case study of the jet engine.